Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 2 and Silver Zenith. With LED projector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engines, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7181.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.